This video is not real. I've been getting a lot of questions as to how I made this video, so I thought I would do a tutorial for you guys on how you can make your own AI influencers in under 5 minutes using Hedra Studio. Let's get into it.
All you have to do is go to Hedra Studio, go to the image tab. I like to use the Imagine 4 model. Now type in your prompt, make sure to be as specific as you can be to get the best results. And then from there you can generate your image. And then once you have an image that you like, click Remix in Video. Then select the Kling Master model, or you can choose from VO3 or Minimax. Type in the direction that you want for it, so whatever actions, whatever poses you want your model to do. And then in just a few minutes, you have your full video ready. With Hedra Studio, the possibilities are endless. Whether you want to make car vlogs, or skincare routines, or even fit checks, you have all the tools you need for your content creation process to be as quick and as easy as possible for a fraction of the cost that it would take a production team. If you want to try it, go to hedra.com and start creating.